What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTubes.
Hello again.
From Darren and Susan with Retired Time to Cruise.
Well, a special treat today from the Sapphire Princess.
We're going to show you the ice carving demonstration on the Neptune's Reef pool deck.
Oh, he's hard at it already. Look at that guy go.
It is sped up at about 4 times speed. This took him about half an hour to do this carving. Every cruise we've been on has had an ice carving demonstration, and they do something different every time. The majority of these ice carvers are trained in the Philippines.
And I believe the ice comes from a special destination as well.
We were told on this one that the Sapphire Princess picks up the ice from Cartagena, Colombia, which really surprises me because it's hot in Colombia.
They must have ice with no sediment in it, or the ice freezes super clear the way they treat their water there, because the ice really is crystal clear.
It generally is. This one does seem to have a bit of opacity in the center. The commentator told us that the ice block itself costs about $100 and it weighs almost 400 pounds.
They're definitely a big chunk of ice when they bring them out as a solid block. Now, as you can see, people are always walking around, stopping, taking a look, moving, coming back. Everybody's really curious as to what the final design is going to be.
We have seen dolphins,
Seagulls,
fish,
turtles,
angels,
a scene with topiary on it.
a mermaid.
Oh, you name it, we've seen it pretty much with what they've done with the ice. This really reminds me of the wood carving in Alaska with the chainsaws, where the guy attacks the block of wood with a chainsaw, and you can't figure out what he's doing until all of a sudden a bear or something pops out of that block of wood.
I wonder what's going to pop out of this block of ice. Well, I know what's going to come up, but do you have any guesses? Let us know in the comments.
One thing with this ice carving is you say, geez, that's an awful lot of work to just show us how to carve ice. Do they use this in other places, Susan?
Well, they did say it takes 3 to 4 hours for it to melt if it's out in this heat. So what happens is after it's finished, they give everyone a chance to take some pictures. Then they take it back into the storage at minus 35 degrees. And we found this one, this actual carving, displayed again at the end of our cruise when we did the galley tour.
I do remember seeing this when it was finished. Now, we were told on a different cruise that when they put these back in storage before they bring them out the next time, they use hot or almost boiling water in order to do any repairs or add features to the carving before they bring it back out again.
I imagine they could have had some pieces break in the transportation here, there, or everywhere. The tools that the guy uses are a variety of chisels, and they said the chisels, each one costs about $300.
They are a specialized set of tools just for ice carving.
I guess it's a 3-inch flat chisel does the rough work. Then he does a lot of work with a 2-inch chisel for the finer details, and he uses a kind of a V-shaped one for
making feathers or scales or any of that fine detail work.
It's so hot on the deck.
We are at the equator, and people really do underestimate how hot it actually is to stand out on deck and watch these events.
but I'm really impressed with how well trained the crew seems to be.
They are, and we were witness to an actual training event that they did on deck for everyone to see how prepared they are.
It's another behind the seas tour. It's all about safety training in an emergency. It is impressive.
Going back to the ice carving. So as we see him working away, he's just about finished. He's spinning it around. Can anybody identify what that is?
It's a swan! We'll give you a closer look at it.
As we're taking video of the final unveiling of what the guy has carved, people are milling around trying to get the best angle to take a picture. I'm surprised that big block doesn't fall over. This statue we see in an upcoming galley tour. Now here's the finished statue.
I hope you enjoyed the video. The next ones that are coming up are going to be a variety of staterooms.
Oh, excellent.
I went into a whole bunch of different staterooms as they were being cleaned. So they're not in pristine condition, but I do give you a good overview of what you can expect in each of the different kinds of staterooms.
So if you're going to go on the Sapphire Princess or know somebody that is, have them subscribe and check out all of the staterooms on the Sapphire Princess.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks again.
Bye now.
Bye for now.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTube.